Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Efarid Nur Rahman, and I want to present my proposal, the psychoanalysis of Percy Jackson in the Percy Jackson and Olympians, the Lightning Thief. Percy Jackson and the Olympians, the Lightning Thief is a film based on the novel by Rick Riordan, the same title as the film. The film offers a unique way to explore the complexity of a young hero named Percy Jackson in a Greek mythology world, but in the modern days. And then the research question based on the background. This research concerned to focus the examine and analyzing the psychoanalysis of Percy Jackson in the film Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief with psychological approach. And the purpose of the study is based on the research question. The objective of the research is to find out this psychological of Percy Jackson in the film Percy Jackson and the Olympians, the Lightning Thief. The significance of the study. The study aims to provide a deeper understanding of the character development and his psychological in the film. By using a psychoanalysis theory, this study can provide the insight into the ways the film shows the emotional effect of trauma, the role of unconscious mind, and the effect of this factor. The character action and decision by using a psychoanalysis theories and analyzing Percy character and psychology. The significance of the study. The study aims to provide a deeper understanding of the character development and his psychological in the film. By using psychoanalysis theory, this study can provide the insight into the ways the film shows the emotional effect of trauma, the role of unconscious mind, and the effect of the factors can the character action and decision by using a psychoanalysis theories to analyze Percy character and psychology. And then scope and limitation. The scope of this research will focus on analyzing the psychological dynamic of Percy Jackson, including his motivation and behavior in relation to his connection with other character. This study also investigate how the film representation of Greek mythology and modern day setting impact Percy's sense of self and belonging. The limit of this research will based on film adaptation, so which may not fully capture the complexity of the novel theme and character development. Furthermore, this research will focus on the representation of Percy Jackson's personality and psychological in the film. Chapter 2. Review of the related literature. This chapter provides theories and studies related to the conduct of this research. It starts with discussing film as literary work and continues the review to theory related to this research. The film as a literature. From a historical perspective, the relationship between literature and the film has been complex. Film emerged as a medium late in the 19th centuries and the 20th centuries, and it was seen as a secondary medium to literature. At the beginning in the 20th centuries, it is impossible to neglect film as a semi-textual genre, both influenced by and exerting influence on literature and literary criticism. Next is psychoanalysis. Psychoanalysis is a psychological science based on the theory that there is causal relationship between present mental activity of wish, thought of behavior with their conscious and unconscious component and all past experience. Next is psychological approach. Psychology is a discipline and study that analyze the human land animal psyche. The psychology is a particular person or character is the particular configuration of their psychology. The previous study, there have been researchers who conducted previous study which analyzed the psychological of a character using a psychoanalysis approach of the researchers that use psychoanalysis in the journal. There is a previous study that I put 5 previous study in this proposal. Next is chapter 3. Chapter 3 is research method which is explain the methods and approach that used in the study to conduct the research. It also provides the step of data collection and data analysis. Next is research design. This study use a qualitative approach that produce data from action in the film and the character behavior. Qualitative data, usually the form of word rather than number, have always been the staple of some field in the social science, notably anthropology, history, and political science and literature only. Next is data and source of data. The study used the qualitative approach that produced the data from action in the film and the character behavior. Qualitative data, usually in the form of word rather than number, have always been staple of some field in the social sciences. The next is research instrument. The researchers himself is taking the role as an instrument in this research. Qualitative researchers collect the data, which is I, through examining a film, document, or observing the behavior of the character. That may use some element as well for instrument for collect data. But I is the one only who actually gather data for the study. Next is data collection technique. The researcher himself is taking the role as an instrument in this research. Qualitative researchers collect of the data themselves through examining document, observing behavior, or interviewing a participant. They may use of some element as well for instrument for collect data. But I actually the one who collect the data. The data analysis is the process of taking data using qualitative method. The primary goal of data analysis is to examine the data collected by segmenting and taking apart data, then reconstructing the data as well. There are steps. According to Kate, there are several ways to analyze the data. One is think through the rational and logistic, the proposed data collected and plan carefully for the data collection. Number two is anticipate and simulate the data collection procedure. This will show the value of plot testing in any instrument. And then number three is when approach people for data collection, ensure the approach is both critical and professional. And number four is appreciate the role of training in preparing for data collection both for ourselves and others. For example, if we are doing instructed interview, we should not just assume we will good at this, but prepare for it. Undertaking activities designed to develop the skill involved if others are to be involved.